So hi guys, welcome back to Sammy's Kitchen. So happy Bakrid to all of you, and today we are going to speak about a very important topic which is very less spoken about in general public. So first topic for us is what is muscle maturity. So when you work out for many years, your muscles will have dense fibers. Your fibers will grow in size in muscle. So you train and train and train, and then your muscle becomes hard and not like athletics a person. It becomes like a bodybuilder kind of shape and size. So that is known as muscle maturity. For that, you have to train for years and years and years, and then you will eventually get the muscle maturity. For men, it is from 25 to 35 age group, where our muscle and bone density is the highest. Second important point, many people ask me that I've been working out for 1 year, 2 year, playing sports like football, cricket. Suddenly this lockdown happened and I'm not able to do that for 3 months. What should I do? So today I'm going to speak about a very important concept which everybody should know. It's very less spoken about again, and that is muscle memory. So what happens when you train for, I'll take an example, like when you train for about 1 year, you reach from X starting to Y amount of muscle and workout and stamina. So you stop the workout for 3 months and again you go back to your workout. So what happens is that 1 year of complete gain of your muscle as well as your stamina, you can get it now in 1 to 2 months. So that is known as muscle memory. So one of the best examples in industry is Jeremy Buenda. When he was having injury, so he came back and in 3 months he was going to Mr. Olympia again with the same size and shape, or Kevin Lebroni. Anyway, so that are just the examples. So what you should do basically when you are starting again workout is give some time to your body, like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, to get back to your complete fitness, but do not reduce the intensity or do not reduce the volumetric increase. You can do lots of weights. You can go out, do your stamina workout from the first week itself. Slowly when you reach 4 to 6 week period, you will be there. You will be to the level of stamina and strength where you are always there pre-lockdown period. So don't panic, don't go slow. You can go from 3 to 6 week period to gain your complete fitness, then you will be good to go. So that is known as muscle memory. So what happens is that we have nucleus and our stem cells and all. So we will have some memory in our muscles, but when we don't do workout, our muscles will become small and they will not be used. So when you go back to gym and you go back to your workouts, again the muscles will be used. So it won't take that much time as you started from scratch or zero. So that is known as muscle memory. So that's it for today's video guys. 2 important topics. Tomorrow I'll be going to make a video on how to build your stamina and how to go on long runs. What are the tips for it? What are the basics, essential things which you require? So bye guys. See you tomorrow in a new video from Sammy's Kitchen. Bye.